that's me, and I'm going to walk you in and we're going to have a quick look at what's going on. So this is the entrance to the studio, just in case you need to... Oh, yeah, that's Bannister Fletcher. So here we are in the studio. As you can see, let me shut the door so it's nice and warm. The studio is an old barn that's been renovated on the Holcombe estate. You might have seen videos of the studio before. I have done a couple. But I've got some really lovely little commissions in here at the moment, so I thought I'd just talk you through them. So over here we've got the Angel Commission for Canterbury Cathedral, and this commission is to do 4 new angels for the Lady Chapel, and these are all in the process of being modelled. Some of them are a little bit better, well, a little bit more finished than some. So that one's almost finished. And as you come around, you can see this one, which I only started today. This one is a 3D printed version of the original, printed by ArtScan 3D, or ArtScan 3D, sorry, Ben Lemmings. And that's been printed in resin. And this is a 3D printed version of that in clay. So this has been printed in clay. And you can see, if you look closely at the surface, there are ridges, and that's how the clay was extruded from the pug mill and printed. And I'm using that surface to make a new design. And once that design has been decided, I'm then finishing that design, that model, and that's what it looks like after I finished it. As we come over here, you can hear my neighbour James grinding on. These are small models, small plasticine models that were presented at the commissioning process. And this is what the originals, the extruded ones, will end up looking like. And over here there's another one. That's the more finished one. And then over here are some 3D printed plaster ones. Which were the original print to find out what it was that I wanted to do with the 3D processing. So that's it, that's the workshop. So the light is a bit dodgy in here, so I'm in the process of changing these strip lights to LED lights, which should be much better, I think. And that's it. That's me. Work in progress.